I am Anish and today I'm going to show you how to make a crane. So first you have to have a piece of paper and a scissors. First, make sure you fold one of the ends how far you can. To just make sure you make a square shape. So when you're done to making the square shape, take it and then fold it one way and the other way. So you will have a plus shaped folds. So make sure you have plus shaped folds like that. And make sure you fold the same way you did, but in the on side to side, not corner to corner. So do it for both. And you end up with folds like this. So make sure it looks like this after you did all those folds. And make sure next flip it over on the side so that looks like this. Then take one and like this. And then put it over on top of the other end. After that one you made, do that same thing for the opposite side without removing the other side one. If you get it wrong, make sure you try it. One going like this, take the other one and fold it this way to make the inside of it, and then fold the upper flap down. That should do it good. And then make sure you take one of the side flaps and then put it like this. Next, you can do the other side. So next you should end up with something like this. So next you have to flip over and then do the same thing. So after that, you fold one side, like the top in one side, and then flip over and do the top in the other bottom side. So next, you have to open up the both flaps and then lift it up until you get to these lines. this line over there, and then push down once you get to that line. As you push down, you can't push it full down, so take the sides and then push it in the middle. So do the same on the other side. Okay, after you finish this, you take the bottom two, which look like these, the one that has a hole, the side that has a hole, and then you take the side ones and then push them in the middle. Do the same for the other side yet. So when you're on the, make sure you do the same for the other flap. And then you should end up with something like this. So you still should have the bottom flap stuck like that open. So make sure you take this flap side and then fold it over like this. Now flip over the side like it was like this, and then you flip it over the whole thing, and then you fold the other one down. Then the bottom one has disappeared, which is actually in the middle now, and the top one has come. So when you come here, make sure you lift up this flap and then lift up the other flap and fold it up. Next, you have to take this edge and then fold it this way and flip it over. Next, you have to take this edge and fold it down like this, and you end up with this small piece. So you take this flap and go like that. Flip it over and flip this as you, and then you get this thing. So when you do this part, make sure you pick one for the beak and one for the tail. So you have to move the tail on behind and then fold it where you want it to be on this area. That will fold it up and keep it for some time. This You have to fold it a little, stop, and then you have to open this up and then make a little beak. Okay, so now you have your own little crane.